I came here because I fractured my ankle, needed to get it treated, and this was the best place to do it.
I was there when when he was running back to the car and fell. I knew that he was in a lot of pain, so we immediately went to Hughley ER. After they initially evaluated him, they recommended that we get an appointment over here for the follow-up and the treatment for his broken ankle. So when Hughley ER recommended Dr. Werner, I was familiar with Dr. Werner through some of my patients as well. When I called the service, they were quick to respond. It got us in right away, which was great for Matthew because then the healing could start right away and properly. We never waited in the waiting room. We came in, filled the paperwork, sat down. We couldn't have even been there a minute or two and we were called back. Everyone was very friendly. Billing was fantastic. It's just been a great experience as far as me as a mother, and then how it turned out for Matthew, and the whole process was really good, and I recommend Dr. Werner all the time.
Dr. Werner informed me about the surgery just in case, like worst case scenario, if the break didn't heal properly or things just didn't fit in place. That way they could go in and like put the metal in it, realign the bone and everything. But healed up properly, a lot in part thanks to Dr. Werner and his advice.
Dr. Werner was very personable. Every step of the way he was explaining to Matthew what type of break it was, how the process was going to go forward, and what he could expect, and the best case scenario, and then what might even be a surgical procedure that might have to take place.
When my foot officially healed, Dr. Werner offered to get some physical therapy here if I needed it, but I didn't really need it. The break healed very, very well, and I was able to pretty much get around on my own. My ankle, for the most part, it's pretty much back to normal. It's I lost a little mobility, but not much that it really affects my life at all, really.